Hi guys, Ionos website builder review. Since we have already made a few videos talking about once and one Ionos or just Ionos as a hosting provider, why not visit the web code and dive into what the Ionos website builder has to offer? Is it modern user-friendly tool with affordable pricing and something you should skip entirely and run to another option? All these questions and more will be answered in my Ionos website builder review. Anyway, for everybody, as we will start this Ino's review by looking at the very first part of building your website. Choosing a good looking template. Inos does not go wild with its template, though there are only a handful of them. The design are here are clean and tailored for business or portfolio you need. That say creative are not left out. There are full colorful modern looking template as well. I also appreciate that you can preview how a template will look at a phone or a tablet from before making your choice. You are probably noticed the gain text at the top that keeps screaming AI. So let's look at what the Inos AI website builder offer. Its work with prompts, so we can enter a description and then select a tone. After this, there are quick setup for color fonts and your template a winner. So you might want to play around with the prompts and setup. Overall, I have to say that I am pleasantly surprised by the style of template and the modern approach with AI integrating its plus for INR. You have the main menu on the left with all you need: app market, web editor, e-commerce and email marketing. I have to give a small bonus point for the easily accessible analytic. However, the apps market could use more app right now. It mainly offers translator and booking at once. So while it's not the best website builder for small business, it's still a solid choice for landing page, portfolio, or local business site. Next, let's dive into website editing before exploring the other tool available. If we go to the dashboard and click edit website, we get to the editor. It's an interesting approach. It's, I say, quite unique and the most attention grabbing feature to the preview, which show a smaller version of your site while scrolling. Quite a neat idea. This content tab allows you to mess with website structure, adding pre-made section to, or rearranging them. However, there are no drag and drop control or individual element placement. The editor greets you with a rather unusual design approach. If you navigate to selection setting, then to element and activate this mode, you will be able to move element freely, similar to fix or stringent. As for the individual element, you can add. The selection is not extensive, but it's written in an interesting design choice. Switching mode does not charge the entire edit. It's only effective the specific section you are working on. This means you can make drag and drop section with more and straightforward pre-made option. On one hand, you need to activate the drag and drop mode for each section individually. If you want to use it across your entire site, you can use AI with any text element with a simple doubling clicking on it. They bring out the standard award editor option for and an AI helper. You can also improve text based on tone, but you cannot really give any other parameters or continue with the theme. You can create an image with AI. If you go to replace any image currently, you can only enter a prompt. There are no reference image or style option, and the quality is more cartoonish than real. So I do not know how much I would recommend using it. A better thing is the stock picture that offer realistic looking royalty free image, so you do not need to worry about the senses or other stuff. Overall, while there are some interesting decisions, the Ino's website builder editor feel and control like a modern beginner friendly tool. Everything else here is a quite self-explanatory. The style tab allows you to customize color fonts and other small options. The page tab lets you customize the structure of your site or add new page, and of course the shop is for product management. Alright, let's answer that question. Is Inos good as a website builder or should you go elsewhere? To be fair, it's surprisingly good and modern tool with a free trial and even a $1 a month plan, but it does have a few odd design choices and called benefit from more design option for variation. It's still a solid choice. If it may not be the best website builder not there, but it's definitely a tool ID recommended for beginners. So give Inos a shot and don't forget the discount link to save some sweet cash. Thanks for watching my Inos website builder review.